Hi Stampers, it's Nancy from stampandshout.com. Well, welcome, and this is a little surprise pop-up video. Today I'm going to make a card with one of Stampin' Up's kits, and this is called the Colorful Kaleidoscope Kit. And if you're not familiar with Stampin' Up kits, what they are is an all-inclusive box. So basically you can shop through all the different kits that are available, and then it gets mailed to you, and everything you need is inside the box. So again, this one is called the Colorful Kaleidoscope Kit. And when you open up your box, you will have the directions and all the supplies that you need. Now, when you get it, it'll be packaged nice and neatly, but I've already been playing with mine and creating, so it's a little bit apart. But let me show you what comes in this kit. First of all, kits come either in card kits or they come in fun kits like maybe tags or candy holders or little paper wreaths, all different types of projects. So this one is a card kit, and it makes 9 cards, 3 of each design, and these are gorgeous. So I really want to show them to you because they're so pretty. So these are the 3 cards, and they all come with beautiful envelopes, and I'll show them to you closer. So all of them come with this little overlay and the shiny gold paper, and basically you just punch out the elements and put them together. Everything's included, and I'm going to go through real quick and show you. But this is one of the cards with the pretty envelope. And here is another one. Isn't that pretty? And look at the envelope. It's gorgeous. And this was the one we're going to make today. So they're all similar in the way you make them. So once I show you this, you'll get an idea. And of course, it does come with directions. But there's the envelope, and there's the pretty card. Look at all the pretty beads on here. So we're going to make this one. And like I said, some of them come with a stamp set and a little ink blot, a little ink spot, and an ink blot. So here's the stamp set, and I kind of stamped it so you could see what's in here because it's clear and you really can't tell. So we have thank you, thank you, thank you, thanks, I can't thank you enough. It says, just because you're so special to me and I love you so much, and wishing you a magical birthday, and may your day be filled with light and love. So all that comes in this one kit. So you can reuse this on all of your future projects. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the thank you, thank you, thank you, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on my block. I'm going to do it this way so it's nice and even. So here's the envelope for this card, and then here is the card base, and it's already scored, so you just want to make sure it's nice and creased. You can use your bone folder for that. It comes with an overlay. It comes with all the little dimensionals that you need. It comes with the pretty gold dots and the again, more dimensionals. And then it comes with all of the punch outs that you need for your sentiments. And this card uses this piece right here. And I'm going to use my own ink instead of that ink block, just because I have it and it's all ready to go. I'm going to ink it up and then stamp right in the center of that. Now I'm going to take this overlay and I'm going to add the strips of dimensionals. So instead of the little dots, these are strips. And you carefully are going to put them on the edges. So I'm going to put one on each edge, and you just have to do it very carefully. It fits perfectly, and that way it won't show through on the other side. So I've got the dimensional strips on. I'm going to remove the backing and put it on the front of my card. Just like that. Now I'm going to take this piece, and it comes with the little dimensionals, and I'm going to put a couple on the back of this. Before I do that, I'm going to put this on here, but before I put that on, I'm going to put my little gold dots on. and they go right at the bottom of each point. Just like that. Now I can remove the backing and put my little sentiment on here. So that's the card and the envelope. And I forgot to tell you the most important thing. All of Stampin' Up! Kits are 30% off through August 31st. So that's a great deal, obviously. I'm going to put a link down below. Thanks so much. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.